My colleague has talked about 3 ways of dealing with student ideas. I'm going to talk about them in details. The first one is concept experiment, which is just a short and simple experiment which a teacher can do. And also, these experiments are done to develop student conceptual understanding of a phenomena rather than making accurate measurements. This is an example where a teacher can use concept experiment to explain or to talk about atmospheric pressure, which is a concept in physics. Another second way of dealing with student ideas is concept tests. A concept test is just a multiple choice question that is about the concept which a teacher wants to teach. But also, learners have to vote for the correct answer, and then they have to discuss with their neighbors. Then we have an example of a concept test about Archimedes' law. Take also 1 minute, you read it, then I explain how it can be used to welcome student ideas. In this example, we have 2 bricks. The first one underneath water, and the second one also underneath water. But here we have 3 choices. A learner have to, first of all, to choose which is the answer according to his understanding. Here we have voting cards. We have A, B, C. It's because we have 3 choices. If you have more than 3, you will also have cards, voting cards, according to that choice which you have. Then in this example, a teacher will distribute the voting cards. A learner or learners will vote. Then after, they have to discuss what they have voted and why are they voting what they vote. Then after, they have to come as a class, discuss and come with a common agreement on what is the correct answer. In the case where the student failed to come with a common understanding on the concept of the choice they made, a teacher must intervene. Another third way of dealing with student ideas is a concept cartoon. Concept cartoon is just nothing else. It's a simple drawings to deal with student alternative ideas. Those simple drawings, they can be just about misconceptions or student ideas they read from news, books, and everywhere else. And why are we using concept cartoons? Mainly, we are using concept cartoon to stimulate learners to think, because also for concept cartoon, we have multiple choices. So learners will choose according to their understanding from what they read, from news or whatever else. Then also, concept cartoon will help learners and a class as well to discuss and raise new questions from what they have read on the simple drawings, which are cartoons. Also, it helps to investigate and formulate scientific arguments according to the phenomena which is drawn in the concept cartoon. This is an example about the concept cartoon, where it is an example of shadow at night. That is the physics concept. You can take also 1 minute, you look at the drawings, you see argument of students, which is written on that slide. Then also you can discuss how is it used by a teacher to help learners to understand the shadow at night concept. As you can see from that drawing, there are 4 arguments. A teacher have to distribute 4 voting cards because we have 4 arguments. Then learners have to vote according to which argument they agree with. Then later, learners, they have to discuss why did you choose this, why did you choose this, according to their understanding. As a class, after individual discussion, as a class, they have to come together and also discuss and come up with a common understanding of what is the correct argument. In that case, the same as concept test, in that case, learners fail to come up with a common understanding, a teacher must intervene and explain so that learners can understand better and come up with a common understanding and arguments. In short, as a conclusion for today's discussion, first, students have alternative ideas about scientific concepts when they are coming to class. We teachers, it is important to let learners expose and discuss those alternative ideas learners come with in class. When we do not expose them or discuss them, those alternative ideas, learners will keep them and will not accept the correct scientific ideas. And we have discussed the 3 ways of dealing with the student alternative ideas. The first one, we said it is a conceptual experiment. The second one, it's concept test. And the third one, it is a concept cartoon. And those 3 methods are used to create conceptual changes. Thank you very much for your kind attention, and have a nice day.